This is China Coast Guard vessel 3104, patrolling in the sea area of the People's Republic of China in accordance with the law. Your behavior has threatened our safety of navigation. Please keep at least 2 nautical miles away from our vessel. Over.
The China Coast Guard vessel 3104. This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel VRP Cabra MRRD 4.01. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 4 to 4.66 nautical miles northeast of Cape Bolinao, Pangasinan, Philippines. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a signatory state, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within a Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intention. Your illegal activities will be reported to higher authority. Over.